LinkedIn, with its massive user base, provides a platform to connect with people worldwide. Whether you are a professional, a freshie, a job seeker, student, or an entrepreneur, you will manage to meet up with people of common interest. There are certain ways you can use to benefit and meet the right people for your work. In this lecture, we will focus on various ways to use LinkedIn to grow your social presence and authority. Starting with well-informed bio. The foremost thing to care about is to keep a neat presentation. People would visit your profile detail to know about you and your profession. An arranged and well-detailed bio can land you many opportunities. This is just like dressing nicely before visiting someone. You don't necessarily have to give every minute detail about yourself, but only what you want others to know about you. These could be elements such as your work experience, qualification, achievements, etc. Keep the bio short and to the point. Explore. Once you have set up your bio and profile, proceed further to explore other users, professionals from your field of work. This will help you get an idea about the working and mindset of the industry. Follow people who you find to be worth approaching, read their posts, opinions regarding different things. This will help you a lot to create your own content and grow by learning directly from the experts. Be active. Just as any other social media platform, you need to be active and regularly post to connect with people. Post regularly about topics which interest you. Actively look for people with mutual interest or even from other professionals if they can help you grow. Like and comment on others' posts, praising or asking questions to them. Also, do reply to comment on your post. This will make them feel valued for their opinion, thus improving engagement. Use as another social media. This is a sum up of all the above discussion topic. The key is to be successful on any social media platform is effective engagement, which is regular posting, connecting to new people, etc. Though LinkedIn is more on professional side compared to other platforms, the basic rule of social media still apply to it. Post necessary, colorful and quality images, blog posts or videos to attract users, like and share other posts. Another important element to grow your brand is consistency. For best result, you'll have to post consistently. More on this in the upcoming lectures.